Hi everyone. So I've been getting a lot of requests for a tutorial on how I curl my hair and how you get that messy, textured, wavy, lived-in look. So I just threw some dry shampoo in my hair. I use Aveda, of course, Shampure dry shampoo. I do love this stuff. It definitely gives me some volume and movement in my hair. This hair looks really great right now. It's just second day hair. Yesterday I pretty much just curled the top layer, so today I'm gonna section off just the crown and then leave this hair down. And then I'm using, it's I think it's a 1 1/4, maybe 1 1/2 inch barrel. You can buy these at Ulta, Target, wherever. So yeah, so I don't have any product in my hair except what I blew dry in yesterday. I'm going to take this first section by the ear, clamp that in, roll that up, and I always leave the tail out. The straight look at the bottom definitely gives that more messy look. So now when I pull it out, I'm going to twist it and then pull to straighten the ends, and I'll just leave that, let that cool down. And then, so for the sides, I normally just do all back, away from my face. And then kind of depending on what texture you're looking for, how big of sections you take. I normally take pretty big sections. I don't want to look like Curly Sue, so I'll just take pretty big sections and then comb it out with my fingers. So and then once I hit the back, I will alternate ways that I'm rolling in the curl. So now I'm going towards my face, and I'm just doing the same thing, leaving that in for a couple seconds, let it heat up, untwist, and then pull that end down. That really straightens out your end and gives it that messy, undone kind of look. I'm not really particular on, you know, getting every single piece of hair. I do like some pieces straight, some curly. It's just totally up to you. And I feel like this side always curls the best. We all have that one side that's like the best side. I'll leave this, don't touch, don't comb, let it cool, let the curls set, and then I'm just going to move to the top. My hair's a little crazy today. So these front pieces, definitely I'll just grab a bigger chunk. These are kind of my bang I'm trying to grow out, so leave that in away from the face, unwind, and pull. And then this is I mean, I just like some movement. My hair is pretty stick straight normally, so I just like to add some movement, some texture, some volume. Some pieces may be a lot curlier. With the top, the first two I definitely do away from the face, and then I'll start alternating. It helps with the curls so they don't all, you know, when you brush them out, they don't all form one giant curl, and it kind of helps with that texture. The back, I literally just take like 2 giant pieces and call it a day. leave this just for a second. This side I'll actually just start running my fingers through. Breaks up some of the curl, leaves me with some texture, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna throw some hairspray in here and I'll be on my way. Yeah, so kind of just mess around with it, use your fingers, play around. Sometimes I'll just take, like, you know, one little piece, curl that just to give it a little more texture. But other than that, that's kind of it. And so that's how you get your messy undone waves, I guess. But thanks for watching. Let me know if there's any other videos you're wanting me to post. I'm going to try to start posting a lot more. So bye guys, have a good day.